Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the inclusive education. So what is the meaning of inclusive education? Ensuring that all the students have access to quality educations and equal educations regardless of their need, and to combine the special child through general child. Okay, so this is all about the meaning of inclusive educations. Okay, here in inclusive, the school addresses there are 3 to 4 principles regarding equity and barrier free environment to all the students according to RPWD 2016. If we talk about the barrier free environment, so what will we do in that case? We will provide a ramp, we will provide a scatter, we will provide a tactile stair, so child will be able to walk, child will be able to move from one place to another place safely and securely. Now if we talk about the movement of the child, then we will taking the orientation program we will done in our school. So what is the orientations? Here if we talk about the orientations, so it's a kind of mental map where the disabled person the frame in their mind, okay, to move from one place to another place with safely. Okay, now if we addressing these all the frame and principle, so including the NCF and NEP, that was the 2020. Now if we talk about the NCF 2005, so National Curriculum Framework, that was developed 2005. The aim and objective of the NCF to develop a holistic development of every child from overall growth and development. Now if we talk about the NEP 2020, so for the aim of the NEP 2020 to transform by providing high quality education to all the child and replacing 10+2 with new educations 5+3+3+4, where the meaning of which is built a 4 pillar to assess equity, quality, affordability, accountability through the all the growth through all the child pre-primary school. Okay, now here we will cover inclusions. Now what was the main motto of inclusions and what are the pillar are covered in inclusions? After that NEP NCF there are just two body. Okay, now if we talk about the structure of the inclusions, see the structure in these photos. There are 6 people are there, where suppose that you just imagine a class where the normal child along with special child. Okay, so in the case of the special child, what you do, if a child carry a wheelchair, okay, so teacher always prefer a child to provide a first desk, so that child will be able to write, able to reach blackboard easily and assess their teacher easily. Okay, now in the case of normal child, he or she will be provide a aid as like a help system. Okay, now if you see the last para, the same as other child will be cooperate to their peer, to their special peer. Okay, in the case of inclusive education. Okay, so this is the giving a message to each and every special child along with the general child, to through the cooperation and through the inclusions and through the accommodations, we will provide a productive educations and we will able to spread a productive education to everyone. So thank you.